Hi everyone, this is me Krishna and today I will teach you the ethnographic research। तो ethnography जो रिसर्च होता है उसमें जो हमारे कोई भी देश की जाति है उसके बारे में और संस्कृति के बारे में हमें वैज्ञानिक विवरण करना होता है और रिसर्च करना होता है। Ethnography is a qualitative research, sometimes known as a cultural ethnography or more recent as a nationalist inquiry. Its disciplinary origin in ethnopoetry. This research study looks at the social interaction of users in a given environment. It provides an in-depth insight into the user's view and actions along with the sights and sound they encounter during the day. Ethnography deals with the discovery and description of the culture of a group, यानी कि जो कोई कल्चर और उनकी जो संस्कृति है उनके बारे में हम जानते हैं और वो उनकी डिस्कवरी और एक्सप्लोरेशन करता है। एथनोग्राफी रिसर्च है वो। द एथनोग्राफिक मेथड इंक्लूड डायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन, daily studies, video recordings, photography and artificial analysis such as devices that a person uses throughout the day. Ethnographic study uses participants' observation as the primary data collection technique along with the interviews with the members of group or community. Characteristic of ethnographic research: people's behavior is study is in everyday context. It is conducted in natural setting. Its goal is more likely to be exploratory than evaluative. It is aimed at discovery the local person's or narrative's point of view, wherein the narrative may be in consumer or an end user. Data is gathered from a wide range of sources, but observation and or relatively informal observation are usually the principal ones. Assumption in ethnography research. Ethnography assumes the principle of research interest is primarily affected by community cultural understanding. The methodology virtually assures that the common cultural understanding will be identified the research interest in hand. Ethnography assumes that the researcher is capable to understand the cultures more of the population under the study, and while or inherent to the method, cross-cultural ethnographic research runs the risk of falsely assuming that given measure have the same meaning across culture. Steps of conducting ethnographic research: identify research question, determine local for questions, formulate presentation method, acquire permission, observe and participate, interview, collect archival data, code and analyze data. तो ये सारे स्टेप हो गए। फिर राइटिंग एन एथनोग्राफी अकाउंट, तो उसमें क्वेश्चनर फॉर्मेट आएगा, रिसर्च फॉर क्वेश्चनर, इंट्रोडक्शन, मेथोडोलॉजी, डेटा एनालिसिस एंड एडवांटेज ऑफ एथनोग्राफिक रिसर्च. इट प्रोवाइड्स अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव पर्सपेक्टिव. एथनोग्राफिक रिसर्च ऑब्जर्व बिहेवियर इन देयर नेचुरल एलिमेंट्स and environment. फिर disadvantage of ethnography research: this research is depend on the researcher observation and interpretation. It is difficult to check the validity of researcher's conclusion. Observer bias is almost impossible to eliminate. It may lack transferability. Ethnographic research is टाइम कंज्यूमिंग एंड रिक्वायर्स अ वेल ट्रेंड रिसर्च. तो आज के वीडियो में हमने एथनोग्राफिक जो रिसर्च है उसके बारे में देखा और पढ़ा। तो अगले नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लास्ट टॉपिक जो मिक्स्ड मेथड रिसर्च है उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो आई विल एंड दिस वीडियो हियर. बाय एवरीवन, हैप्पी लर्निंग एवरीवन.